heart of HK Engineering's workshop, a masterpiece of automotive history is being brought back to life. This isn't just any car, it's one of the rarest of its kind, an alloy-bodied 1955 300 SL Gullwing, one of only 29 ever built. After more than 6 months in the body shop, perfecting every gap and refining every surface before reaching this final stage of the process, painting. Every masterpiece starts with preparation. Stefan, our master painter, begins by carefully sanding small imperfections. The surface must be flawless, smooth to the touch, and ready to showcase the Gullwing's iconic curves. Before reaching this final stage, the Gullwing's body has undergone extensive preparation. It has been carefully base-coated and sanded multiple times to achieve the thinnest possible layers of pre-coat. This meticulous process ensures that the final paint job remains true to its original factory finish, thin, even, and flawless. After sanding, every speck of dust is blown away using compressed air. Attention to detail is paramount. With the surface now pristine, Stefan suits up in specialized painting gear. A protective suit, mask, and eye protection. He activates the painting chamber, ensuring the air is ventilated and the temperature is just right. Even the smallest variable can affect the final result. Before moving on, Stefan cleans the body once more. Using a specialized liquid and microfiber towels, he removes any remaining contamination. The surface is now ready for its first layer of paint. In the mixing room, Stefan prepares the base coat, a delicate thin mixture of lacquer thinner and paint. This initial layer acts as a bond between the pre-coat and the final finish. Carefully measured and stirred, it's designed to flow effortlessly, ensuring perfect coverage. Back in the painting chamber, Stefan fine-tunes his spray guns, adjusting the settings with precision. He listens to the paint as it exits the nozzle, ensuring an even, controlled spray. With the tools ready, the painting begins. Starting with the intricate details, Stefan focuses on areas like the roof pressure gaps and the vents in the front fenders. Every edge and corner is carefully coated. Switching to a larger spray gun, he moves to the car's sweeping panels, applying a thin, uniform base coat that prepares the surface for the final layers. Once the base coat has dried, the process begins again. Stefan meticulously cleans the surface, ensuring no dust or imperfections remain. This step is vital. Any flaw at this stage could compromise the final finish. Now comes the moment of truth. The final coat, Silvergrey-Metallic, mixed to match the exact original specification from 1955. This time, the paint is denser, giving it the depth and richness that defines the Gullwing's iconic finish. Stefan carefully stirs, fills the spray guns, and steps back into the chamber. Again, he starts with the details, vents, edges, and delicate gaps, before moving to the larger surfaces. Each stroke of the spray gun transforms the car, restoring its timeless elegance. The meticulous application ensures an even, flawless finish, capturing the light in a way only nitro paint can. After months of painstaking work, the alloy-bodied Gullwing stands one step closer to being reborn. Its factory original paint finish is a testament to the skill, passion, and precision that define HK engineering. This is more than just restoration. It's a celebration of automotive history brought to life once again.